Hey channel, today I am going to try to film my attempt at installing the triple clamp. This thing is supposed to help. These mounting points are on the chassis, and for those who do a lot of off-road, not me, I think it's just cool because it's shiny. For those who make a lot of off-road trips, it might break off, and if it does break off, the chassis is by law not able to be welded and repaired, so you're gonna be out of a bike for a while. So I'm not taking a risk because I might go off-road, but I don't know when. And we're gonna try to install these. The space is pretty crammed with stuff, so we'll see how that goes. We've received a lot of good feedback from a bunch of people that used it, so let me see if I can adjust the camera a little bit. Again, this is the triple clamp from, this is the main headlight system holding clamp from Triple Clamp. Not very expensive. They ship really quick, so let's see how it goes. Oh, and we have some virus protection liquid here, so if I stutter or fall down, it's probably because of that. Now, let's start disassembling stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want help, this is a T30, Torx 30. First bolt is off, or coming off. Second one, there's gonna be no way I can actually take this one off. Yikes. It's not a good start. This one I can probably not take off, and this one I can probably take off. So from the get-go, this bolt is hard to take off because of this line, so it might be in need of being moved or removed. And then this one almost needs the entire what would you call this, tank removed, except I just realized you can probably use just a normal wrench on this. Let's do that. That might be a better idea. Geez, alcohol doesn't help your decision making, does it? All right, let's see. What kind of wrench do I need? Looks like an 8. Do I have an 8? I'm gonna be wrong. It's probably a 10. Here's an 8. No, oh my God, it's an 8. Okay. All right, so 8. This one, 8. Coming off easy. There's a third one down there that I just saw. I don't know if it's linked or not, but I don't think it is. So use an 8 or Torx 30. This is an 8. Easy to use. Easy to use. This is what we call a wrench. So for those out there, a treat especial, as AV would say, small wrenches like that come very handy. There's a lot of people that just buy the basic, starting at 12 and above. You need small wrenches. Same with this. This is a ratchet set I got from Costco, and the day I saw it, I thought it's a bit expensive because it was something like $20, but it's been in use non-stop since I bought the thing. And I'll show you what it looks like. It's this. It's a little box, and it's got all the small sizes and all the Torx, all the way up to this is T40. It's got a bunch of things. I'm not associated with Costco. This little box, an incredible amount of use. Never thought I would. Anyway, back to the subject of the day. Let's see. So for these, this one, Torx 30 on the top. And same over here, but that's in the way with this, so we're gonna remove, or I'm gonna hook this little line. That's the brake line. Is it the brake line? Might be something else. We're just gonna, there's a brake line there that you can't see that I'm working on. I'll show it. Let me show it right there. There's a little brake line that you can. There's a clamp. Just move it out of the way. Just unscrew it a little bit. And I think that's gonna be enough for me to put my handy dandy thing on there. Maybe not. Just push some things out of the way. No. Okay, I need 2 hands. Sorry. Let me get back to this angle. Normally 2 hands, but don't have two tools in your hands at once. Okay, so second bolt down there is getting off. The unfortunate thing is for this side, or for the clamp, you really have to remove the bolts instead of just making them loose, at least on that side. We'll see how that goes, right? So, first rule of a mechanic, always remove the hard ones first, and then see how that goes. And so far, my rule has not been followed, so let's try that. So I'm going to remove these. There's like a crash bar here, so you can kind of see that this is designed to go under a lot of stuff. I'm gonna say a bad word here, but I want this video to be made for kids as well. So bolt number 1 removed from the top. It's not a bolt. The purist would probably say this is a screw. It doesn't matter. Let's continue. All right, screw number 2 is gone. All right, so I have the 2 first screws that attach the headlight removed. And I'm looking at how this will actually hold on there. There's no instructions, so don't think about, calling Triple Clamp to know how they've actually installed this thing. It ain't happening. Ooh, I'm not sure that actually fits, to be honest. I see. This will go in, and hopefully, there's this much. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'm not sure this is gonna fit at all. I trust the guys. I've seen good reviews, so we'll go with that. Okay, first bolt out. Nope, not gonna go with that. Gonna need the handy dandy 8. It's an 8mm. Remove this, and I have a feeling I'm gonna have to remove this 8mm way over there. That's holding the bar to the front of the bike that you can or maybe cannot see. No, you can see. Oh, no, what a panoramic view you got from that camera. It's not a camera, it's an iPhone. Damn it. That's right, some say go from underneath. good idea. Not a good idea. Stay on top. Well, well, well. Don't tell me I'm gonna have to remove this thing. I don't want to. I don't want to at all. But seems like it's an easy thing, so let's do that. So back to the handy dandy. Let's see. I'm gonna go down a bit. So I'm gonna take this thing off. So we're still with the same Torx, so thank you KTM for using one size. I really hate, folks, and I had that on other motorcycles. I have a Vespa in the back there that you might see at some point, where they use 20 different sizes for a piece of plastic. And it's like, just save your money. Just make the thing the same everywhere. Anyway, so this piece of plastic is about to fall off, so that's good news. We need that out of the way, I guess. Don't do like me, take it off before you start. That's why I'm making the video, to be honest. I'm discovering as I go because the instructions are inexistent. All right. There you go. So piece of plastic is now removed. Let's take this one out. That's what I wanted to take out. Now it's much easier. It's by hand. All right, so let's get back to the main subject of the film today. You'll see there's a bolt right here that holds this together that you're going to try to remove without having to remove the gas tank. Hey, and if you have comments, I don't read them, so don't even waste your breath. Sorry, not your breath. Don't waste your keyboard time. I don't read comments. I'm putting this as an amateur, making no money out of this. You're welcome to watch it. If you don't like it, just leave me out of it. Go. So that's out. So now what? So I have the two screws removed here that you can't see on the phone. Then you have that removed. Let's now see if this thing actually fits, because now everything is free. Try not to scratch anything. Yips. Not the way to do it. I'm stuck now. There you go. So that would be how this fits. And would you know it? This thing actually fits where it's supposed to fit. So nice. Very nice. I have absolutely no doubt that would fit. No, I was doubting because this thing looked like it was not made for it. So what I feel like I'm gonna do is put one bolt or screw in the top of the clamp on the headlight, and I'm going to go deep because I'm going to try to hold it really tight. There. I feel the headlight is a difficult piece, so I'm going to try to put the second one in. And I'm saying that just because I think the brake lines are kind of in the way. Sorry, not a better way to put the lines for the brakes, but shit, it's in the way. And if you're wondering, the bike has approximately 700 miles now. Did the first service where they detected a leak on the sprocket somewhere, on the sprocket counter shafts. They fixed it. You can watch that video on my channel. It's very short. It was done under warranty, so no big issue there. So now comes the time to actually reinstall this thing. So looks like if we want to do it right, this comes in here, this comes in here. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to try to put the first bolt in there. That's this one. Bizarrely enough, you know, I'm just putting the most difficult bolt first, and the bolt caught, and it's like, how did that happen? Usually that's never the case. So the bolt on the other side of this branch, or whatever you call it, is now a little bit away from where it should be. Of course, because now it's further from the hole. Interesting. So now what? How do you put that in there? Was it always probably under tension? Don't do what I'm doing. This is not good. The thing is not wanting to go in, so after all, it's not the bracket that's the problem, it's this thing that we have here, this crash bar or whatever that thing is. Actually, it's okay. I think it's just it's just millimeter work, I guess. Okay. Now, somewhere I have a last bolt. There we go. So, lesson here is, well, do like I did. Doesn't look like There's any complication to this except having the two tools that you need, which is basically an 8mm wrench and a bit of patience. I don't have patience, so the only thing I'm worried about is some of these wires touching the stuff here, which is a bit worrisome. Actually, it's probably going to be just fine. We'll see. I'll probably check again at some point. Yes, folks, I'm gonna fix this one. No, that's not it. Okay. All right, that's it. We're gonna put back the whoops, shouldn't do that. I'm gonna put back the little plastic cover, and that will do it for this part. Right here and right here. Right here. For this kind of stuff, it's a Torx 30 or 40. So the big Torx always helps. I don't have a big Torx. I'm just going to use a 27. Oops. To get it engaged. Same for the other one. And then come back with my magical miniature wrench. If you want the brand, by the way, it's a Bonnier. It's a great wrench. I make no money if you buy one. I forgot what it's called. Ratchet. It's like a pocket ratchet, and it's absolutely great. Love it. Use it on everything. There we go. The other side is going to be the same. All right. You guys be well. Stay away from each other, and don't drink too much beer in your isolation and confinement. Cheers.